How to set remedy device time for a remedy model 1001. How to set remedy device time for a remedy model 1001. These steps are after initial interrogation of a device. The time icon is available in several locations. However, for the focus of these videos, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply click on Tools and proceed to Time. The time icon displays the device current time, the PC current time, which reflects the programmer time, and the device's daylight saving time. For more information on device daylight saving time, please refer to Set Device Daylight Saving Time for Remedy Model 1001 video. By selecting Get Time under the device current time, it will display the time set within the device. Please note that it is displayed in a 24-hour clock format. If the time is inaccurate, it can be adjusted in one of two ways. Option 1, it can be adjusted by simply selecting the correct time on the left-hand side and clicking Set Time. You will notice the font color change from blue to black to indicate that it has been programmed within the device. Option 2 is to select Set with PC Time. This will synchronize the device current time with the PC current time. These are the steps for how to set up remedy device time for a remedy model 1001.